So a lot of people want to know what's the difference between a contested and an uncontested divorce case. And there's generally kind of 3 degrees of how this process goes. A truly uncontested case is where you and your spouse have come to an agreement on every single term that's out there with regards to your divorce. That means with regard to your custody of your children, with regard to child support, with regard to alimony, with regard to equitable division of your assets, with regard to dividing up your pots and pans and your silverware. You have agreed to everything. And all you need is for a lawyer to write it down, you guys review it, sign it, and file it with the court. If that's how it's done, then you can be divorced 31 days from that initial filing if a judge looks at it, thinks it's okay, and signs off on it. That's a truly uncontested divorce. Most people think that their case is uncontested, but then when they come in, they'll tell me, oh, well, we still have a couple issues to work out, or we don't really know our answers to this and that, and that's not a truly uncontested case. Now, it might be that we can work those things out before something gets filed, but if everything hasn't already been resolved, then there's still a little bit of the case that's contested. So that's kind of the case that's sort of in the middle. And then obviously the last case would be a truly contested case, which is we're fighting, we don't know anything, we don't have anything resolved, we need y'all's help to figure this out, or we may have to have a trial to determine how it's going to go. And that's a real contested case. And that's usually started with one person filing, the other person being served, and then the process going forward towards trial or resolution.